Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging and powering the headset because a low battery causes pairing failures. Plug the USB wireless transmitter into a rear PC USB port so it gets stable power. Turn the Arctis 7 on and watch the LED. Once it enters pairing mode, the transmitter and headset will auto-pair. Make sure Windows Sound is ready. Open sound settings now so you can confirm output appears. This gets you straight into the connection phase without needless troubleshooting. Once paired, install SteelSeries GG to get firmware updates and the EQ. This fixes latency and mic issues. You should set Arctis 7 as the default playback and recording device in Windows Sound output/input, so apps use it automatically. Make sure to disable other Bluetooth or USB audio devices to prevent Windows switching audio. Also check sample rate and bit depth in advanced properties. Matching app and system rates reduces crackling. These steps stabilize audio and mic performance. You finish by testing microphone and game/chat balance so you hear and are heard clearly. Use voice recorder or your chat app input meter. If levels are low, raise gain in SteelSeries GG or Windows. Adjust sidetone and chat mix on the ear cup to your preference. If audio fails, repair. Turn headset off, remove the USB transmitter for 10 seconds, reinsert and power back on. This common reset fixes most connectivity glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.